powerful, capacious and compact. Review of the Xiaomi Mi Power Bank 3 Ultra Compact Power Bank. The new Power Bank Mi Power Bank 3 Ultra Compact is interesting for its combination of compactness and declared power. 5 watts is more than enough for fast charging of any smartphone. I suggest you take a closer look at this external battery and understand whether it is worth its small, by the way, price, or you should pay attention to some other model. Model name Xiaomi Mi Power Bank 3 Ultra Compact PB1022ZM. Capacity 10,000 mAh / 37 watt H. Power 5 watts. Connectors: 2 USB A plus Type-C output, micro USB plus Type-C input. Dimensions and weight: 90 x 63, 9 x 24, 4 mm, 200 grams. Not a bad looking cardboard box. Included is the power bank itself, a Type-C charging cable and some waste paper. The power bank itself is a moderately weighty corrugated piece of plastic. In length and width, it is, of course, smaller than the traditional 10000 mAh models, but, again, of course, thicker than them. In the end, Xiaomi Mi Power Bank 3 Ultra Compact is only symbolically different in size from quite a good compact power bank Romos Sense 4. Here we have 91 x 62, 4 x 22, 8 mm for Romos versus 90 x 63, 9 x 24, 4 for Xiaomi. But by the way, the hero of this review is twice as powerful as Romos. Well, here's a closer look. In general, nothing unusual. Just, I repeat, a black corrugated plastic block with a well-known logo. The end of the connectors is covered with a sticker. And, unlike the protective one on the box, this one comes off and is glued back without any effort. I don't see any sense in having it. We have a pair of 2 USB A plus Type-C output, micro USB plus Type-C input. 4 small roundels next to the power button. Yes, this is the button on the right, are, as you already understood without me, the simplest charge indicators. On the reverse side there is basic information, including a list of capacities for each of the connectors. Capacity test. Important. 10,000 mAh in the specification is given for a voltage of 3.7 volts. The power bank is already 5V, and with such an amendment, 7400 mAh comes out. Therefore, it is most correct to look at the capacity specified in the specification in watt-hours. There it is, 37 watts-hour. To begin with, let us look at the supported charging protocols. Charge. So, the charge we have according to the specification is blown, micro USB 5 volts A / 9 volts 2A and Type-C 5 volts 3A / 9 volts 2, 5A. As a result, it turns out that the charging current does not reach 2.5A. However, even so, almost completely the power bank can be charged in a couple of hours, and this is certainly good. It is no less pleasing to see 42.25 watt-hours here. Taking into account the losses during charging, this allows you to count on an honest capacity. Discharge. So, for discharge we have USB A 5 volts 2, 4A, 9 volts 2, 5A, 12 volts 1, 85A and Type-C USB A 5 volts 3A, 9 volts 2, 5A, 12 volts 1, 85A. In reality, again, I don't see 12 volts here, the voltage is somewhat sagging. In any case, even so, the power bank gives an excellent capacity of 29 watt-hours for such a power. And Romos Sense 4 at 5V2A load gave 2 watt-hours less than Xiaomi Mi Power Bank 3 Ultra Compact, which shows an exceptionally good result of 34.25 watt-hours. The result is surprisingly close to the nominal 37 watt-hours. Great. For example. General impressions. This new Xiaomi power bank is much more interesting than Romos Sense 4, which plays in the same category of compact power banks. Yes, it is a couple of hundred rubles cheaper and definitely worth its small price, but its power is limited to 10 watts. If you are satisfied with this, you can safely take Romos. If you want to have a slightly larger capacity at 10 watts, if fast charging of both your smartphone and the power bank itself is important to you, then feel free to choose this new power bank from Xiaomi. By the way, Xiaomi Mi Power Bank 3 Ultra Compact will also give you the answer to the question of how to charge a fitness bracelet from power bank. Many external batteries cannot be charged with low currents, but this one copes with such a task effortlessly. It is enough just to press the button 2 times. The size is really small, the power bank will fit in any pocket. The capacity is honest, the power relative to its size is very good. The price tag is also good. Traditionally, 10000 mAh models are affordable for everyone. In principle, an alternative to this model can be considered in 10000 mAh power bank basis classic size chocolates. Now, with delivery from China, it costs more, but most recently at the 11/11 sale it was only $9.9.